So on the 12th of June I was at Preston, just went to see some of the trains there. However, my first catch today was 1Y55, the 0821 Northern service to Manchester Airport from Blackpool North with 331004 and 331005. Then this is 2N61, the 0823 Northern service to Blackpool North from Stoke-on-Trent with 319378. Then this is 1N81, the 0828 Northern service to Blackpool North from Liverpool Lime Street with 319366. Then my last catch today was 2C06, the 0828 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Blackpool North with 319379.